too. We obviously.
Asher, where's the blue? Were you drawing in blue too? You drawing a picture? Can you bring it to me? Give me your picture. I want to see it. That's not it. No, the other picture. Oh, thank you. Those are stamps. Can you get the picture? Yeah. You tripping on your crayons? What'd you bring me? What is that, pen? Asher, give me your picture. Your picture. I want to see it. Go get it. You need a new piece of paper? That's a nice picture. You like coloring? What color is this? Asher, what color is this?
Blue.
No. It's brown. Can you say brown?
Brown.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Brown.
What about this? This is black.
Brown.
Can you say black? That's black too. Say black. You're good at coloring. You an artist? Asher, say please.
Please.
Please. Say ka.
Blue.
Boom. Yeah. Say 1, 2.
D.
Yeah, 3. Good job, buddy. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? You like blue? You like blue? What are you drawing on your hand? No, buddy. Don't draw on your hand, draw on your paper. Paper. Asher. Here, draw on your paper. You want to try green? Green? Concentrating hard, aren't you? Asher, can you say juice?
Juice.
Juice, yeah.
Juice.
Can you say cheese?
Juice.
Cheese. Good job. Can you say door? Door. Can you say snow? Snow. Snow. Dough.
Dough.